yes, I love them. Maybe I'll get up with my friends, mash down Grand Street skating, then later on go out painting. Good times, oh yes, I love them. Maybe I'll get up with my friends, mash down Grand Street skating, then later on go out painting.
Thank God my lens is transitional. I hate the day like last night, I'm missing you. 2 days, yeah, I feel so pitiful, cause I spent all night drinking with you fools. I tattoo ink into my skin, just to show off to all my friends. We get on stage, then start moshing. I have so much fun just watching. Yup, the opposite of a morning person, trying to shake off the hangover that's hanging on. My phone vibrating on the dresser, falling off. I pick it up and just pressing on, cause I'm in too much pain to even talk. My girl telling me to shake it off and take a walk. Orange juice, Excedrin, and some fresh air, and I'm back to doing the things that got me there.
Daylight, I'm usually sleeping in, cause last night I was out partying, and in the daylight I don't pick up my phone cause I'm still dead asleep at home.
Remember when you used to DJ at Savalos? Had so much fun in that bundle. Say local charge so much for a taco.
And whatever happened to the Lacos?
Chief had the mud wrestle there. That's for Venus Slim, shit about it here.
Have got to wreck the brand new pair.
And the Charleston free piece in beer. Everybody know the spot across the street.
Tastes way better, but it ain't cheap.
Clear Street, got the best vegan spot.
Tastes like chicken even though it's not.
In the trash bar sound system sound shop. And when the scene gets heavy, we're gonna break an act 4 at the levee. I'll be up around 6 p.m. Come and get
In
me.
the daylight, I'm usually sleeping in, cause last night I was out partying, and in the daylight I don't pick up my phone cause I'm still dead asleep at home.
Since like we went to Eastside Church, it's like you won't double though.